fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to dekit one of my DP for Vets kits. I worked on my DiamondDotz Eagle, and I finished it. So yay, I finished a project. So that makes project number 3 for me for the event. I am currently working on a 4th one, hoping to get that finished before the end of the event. You guys have been great about posting on social media, so keep doing that. Don't forget to tag me and also use the hashtag DP for Vets. And I will make sure that there is a link to the entry form down below, or I'm not the entry form, the exit form, so that you guys can fill it out. I've already had lots of you filling it out with your finished projects. They look amazing. I can't wait to put together kind of a montage video to show everybody what you all worked on. So yeah, keep working. If you're not done yet, don't worry about it. You have until midnight on the 30th of November to submit everything. And then hopefully just a couple days after that, I will get the montage video out and I will do the drawing for the final prize package. Okay. I have my spare drills. This was a round kit, so these are my round drills. I can tell they're round because these are blue. My square ones are pink. I've got them all here. All of my round ones fit in one box. Now, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do here because DiamondDotz, in my experience, while their drills are really nice, sometimes they're not quite the same size. I think they're the same diameter, but they're taller. So I want to see a couple of these to see what I want to do with them. Now, I know this particular one, it had one AB in it. These are all the ABs I have left, and my white ABs are somewhere else. I'm going to set that aside because I will finish those somewhere else. Also, DiamondDotz is weird in that they use all of their own numbers. So you can get for free from them a conversion chart that tells you what their number is and then what the corresponding DMC number is. And then just to throw another wrinkle in it, when I got in here to kind of look at these to see what I needed to do to, I printed this out so I could see what the actual DMCs were, but these are not even in numerical order of the DiamondDotz, because this one is 8400 and this was 83.99, but this is number 2 and this is number 3. So I don't know how they decide what goes where in what order, but so just bear with me. This may be a little interesting. So their number 8001 is 310. So I'm going to pour them out here. And DiamondDotz has good drills. I mean, look at those. That one has a little tab. That's really the only, and there's one small one right there. That one has a tab. So, they're not perfect, but they're usually pretty good. So let me see if I just take some drills that I've saved from other ones and I pour them in here, can I tell a difference? Just sprinkle them in there. No, I guess not. Not really. All right, so they can all just go in there. I know when I was doing my Randall Spangler, the big one, the Firefly Fireworks one, a lot of the DiamondDotz I was substituting ABs, and a lot of their ABs, at least in my experience, end up being quite a bit taller than regular drills. So I'm curious to see how that holds up. Okay, 8400 is what number? See, this is where I said it's going to get interesting because it's not going to be in numerical order. 8400 is 434. So I wonder if they're going to be in DMC order, and that's how they've decided it. Are those the same? Yeah. And you can see some of these, I didn't have very many drills of that color at all to begin with. So having, I'm not going to have, I won't have that many left of that particular color either. Okay, 83.99 is 435. Interesting. So maybe they're going to end up being in DMC order. I did say 435, right? Yes. they're going to be in DMC order, but not DiamondDotz order, which is kind of funny. You think if they were going to put them in any particular order, they would put them in the DiamondDotz numerical order, not DMC. I mean, I guess that makes my life easier if it's going to be in DMC order as I'm dekitting these, but that seems a little weird. Okay, 8440 is 762. 762. But they are nice drills. Like I said, I had hardly any trash from this kit, and I will show you that when I show you the trash. And I enjoyed working on it. Partials are not always my favorite. Just because I feel like I want to do the whole drill field, not just a piece of it. But 8393 is 779. So it looks to me like that's what's going to be happening. It's going to be in DMC order, which actually, again, makes my life easier. So I appreciate that. Although if they're going to do that, why have their own numbers? Why not just say 8289 is 830. Those are actually a pretty good match. The die lots and everything have been a pretty good match to what I already have, so that's nice. Okay, 830. And then 8404 is 938. Jump into all the way into the 900s. I wonder if this is going to stay that way, that they're all in DMC order. Okay, and then 8342. 8342 is 951. Yeah, I'm just, all of these going to be in the 3000s. That would be interesting if they were. Because I had, how many colors did I have? 20? 22. 22 colors. Let me get some of these out before I start confusing myself. Okay. 8366 is 976. Yeah, this is interesting, but I did want to save the drills because, like I said, they are nice drills. Okay, 8365 is 977. I love these little containers. They just make my life so much easier. Being able to just squeeze them and then open them, and they hold so many drills. Okay, 8090 is 3042. So I'm heading into the 3000s here. I think I'm about halfway through the colors. It's kind of interesting that all of them, over half the colors, would be 3000s, although I guess they all are kind of dark colors. Okay, 8297 is 3045. And like I said, I didn't have very much trash at all. I can't wait to show you how. I actually think the kit turned out really well too. I considered adding in, whoa, that one did not come off well at all, did it? There we go. That one came off. Okay. I considered adding in some additional ABs, but then I decided, no, I thought one was enough for this one. That if I got too blingy with it, it would be funny looking. 8405 is 3371, which I know I have a ton of those, and there's not very many left, so I'm not going to save those. Okay, then 8089 is 3743. Just kind of this light mauve color. 3743. Okay. And then 8315 is 3820. So now I'm into the 38s. $38.20, and then 8314 is 38.21. Yeah, just so interesting to me how they choose to do this. I need to get another DiamondDotz kit and see if they all do it this way. I think I've only done one other DiamondDotz kit, and I did it back when I very first started diamond painting. It was koi fish, and when I bought it, I didn't realize it was a partial. So I was kind of disappointed when I got it home because I wanted a full drill kit to try. But it all worked out. It was a nice kit. Okay, 8313 is 3822. And then anyway, it was a nice finish, but I just didn't realize it was a partial, so that was disappointing. But again, really nice drills, and it turned out really well. 8364 is 3827. I just find it funny that these are all, almost over half of these are, you know, in the 3000s of DMCs. And again, so weird to me that they put them in DMC order. Like, if that's what you're going to do with them, why not just use the DMC codes? 8343, 3856. Ooh, we jumped almost to the end here. Okay. Oops. Some of those stuck in there. Come on. There we go. I don't know why they wanted to stick in the bottom like that. All right, I have two left, well, except for the AB, but I'll do that one later. So 8392 is 3860. And then I have 8391, which I'm going to guess is 3861, but let me just double check. 8391 is 3861. Okay. So then these can go in here. Okay. So that is all of the extra drills that I had left over from the kit, except for my white ABs. I still have them. All of the DiamondDotz ABs have 5,000 codes instead of 8,000 codes, and they're on a separate conversion sheet. I don't even know if there is, actually, now that I say that, I don't even know if there is a conversion sheet for ABs. I think I found a couple of them, but I don't think there's a sheet like this, a conversion chart that DiamondDotz provides for the ABs. But anyway, I'm gonna put those. My round ABs are currently elsewhere, so I'm going to put those somewhere else. So, trash, before I show you the finished kit, this is all the trash that I had, you guys, which is kind of crazy. So, looking at this, I mean, again, it's a partial kit. It's not like it was a full drill kit, but still. That one had a hole in it. That had some scratches on it. You know, there's a hole in that one. Some of these are kind of misshapen. But for the size of kit, that's all the trash that I had. I'm really happy with that. I think, especially after some of the kits that I've had lately, just crazy. Okay, so you can see here I've got all of this empty except for this. I will empty that in just a minute so I can use this somewhere else. Let me take a moment and kind of clear all this off, and I will come back and I will show you the completed canvas, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so here is my completed canvas. I think he looks really good. So again, as you can see, they've got kind of their own codes and everything, and I had to translate those into DMC to finish them, but I think it turned out really well. You can see all of the AB drills kind of here, just kind of dotted throughout the head feathers, and then just these little, you know, little sections of dark feathers at the bottom. I think the beak turned out really well. I love how the eyes look. So I'm super happy with it. Again, it is a partial, so none of this, you know, the flag is just the background, just the eagle itself got diamond painted, but I'm super happy with it. So if you come up close, you can see, and I'll get, here, let me get some of the AB drills in there. You can see, you know, just how sparkly they are. I hope that's showing up on camera. But it all looks really good, and I think it turned out really well, so I'm super happy with it. So I will be cutting off all of the excess here, trimming off all of this white, and then I will use double-sided tape and put it in my portfolio as another finish of 2022. I'm not sure what number finish this is. 70 something maybe? No, I don't think I'm to 70 yet. I think I was at 65. So anyway, it's close to 70 finishes after my September challenge. But this is, like I said, this is my third finish for DP for Vets. I have one more that I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to get that one finished. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any others started. I still want to finish my last two Big 10 canvases, and since both of those are pretty large, I may focus on those once I finish my fourth DP for Vets project. But yeah, the event has gone super well. Thank you so much to everybody who has participated. We do have one more weekly giveaway coming up, and then of course at the end of the month, after everything is done, I will be drawing for the final prize package. So if you haven't gotten entered, there is still time to do that. You can check out the entry official rules. I'll stick a link up there to those, and then there'll be a link in the description box of this video with the exit form. You need to fill out both of those and follow all the other rules to be eligible for the prize package drawing. It is open to everyone, US and international, so if you have a kit that you think you can get done in time, have at it. Would love to have you. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.